Hiya Huns, your favorite cousin is back. Welcome back to my humble abode. Your favorite cousin is feeling a little frustrated lately. After all of the excitement of the spring and hiding out at my beach house, I'm back home and refocusing on my acting career. Turns out everybody's on vacation or they're working on their summer projects, but I'm ready for my big break. I'm thinking of starting my own YouTube channel because if Ms. Velveteen can do it, anybody can. I think the world is ready for my unique voice and I could play all of the classic roles. Look for it real soon. So anyway, I'm not adding anything to my Franzia Merlot this week because why mess with perfection? And I'm just not in the mood. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for dropping by, and I'll see you again real soon.